folks, it's me again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click all those buttons that help me out. Watch the whole video. This is going to be a short one because this is only a Happy New Year's video. Happy New Year! Yay! It's 2025, and hopefully everybody will have a great New Year. Another revolution around the sun, starting from point A all the way back to point A. It's something to celebrate, but don't drink and drive. Don't do any, too much hard whatever, and, stay safe. Sometimes I think it's better to stay home these days than when I was in my 20s waiting in line. It's winter here, so if you go out for New Year's, in the city, right near a big city, and there's a long line, you're pretty good chance you're going to freeze your thingamajiggies off, and you'll be cold as hell if you don't already have tickets. I don't know what people do for New Year's. Like, I remember in my 20s and 30s, it was party, go out for nudies, dance, get drunk, whatever. Pay stupid prices for taxis, waste lots of money, and now I just kind of stay home. We used to shoot guns off in New Year's too. That was good. I don't do that anymore. The price of ammo is pretty expensive. Though I think I'm going to do some next coming years if the world don't collapse. With that said, I hope everybody has a great New Year's. I hope everybody had a great New Year's. Hope you load a little poppers, whatever. I'm going to probably set this video go off at midnight. I know nobody's going to watch it at midnight. It'd be a miracle if anybody watches it, period. But you know what? Have a great New Year's. And for all the people watching my videos, I hope you buy more tools. I hope you watch more videos. I hope people watch more of my trike videos. And I got a good one coming. Got a really good one coming. You wait and see. Got a little tiny one coming. Thanks for watching. Toodles.